everybody. Back out at the dairy farm again, pouring another laneway. Pretty straightforward. Pour it out as fast as I can and move on. They do this quite frequently. Not sure how many yards they're going to do today. Might be just one lane, or it might do a second one they have set up. We shall see. All we can do is keep on going and see what we get done. For those of you wondering about reinforcement, there is industrial fiber mesh or commercial grade. And they do wet set rebar later on. Not too much later, obviously.
Take the rest of that down.
Just a whole lot of back and forth. Up in here. Been pouring about 7 to 8 inches thick. They will be driving heavy equipment on it. They've been doing this way for several years and we haven't had any issues yet. Farm operation, they're set up pretty professionally. Portable generator to run the roller screed, their own bull float, lots of come-alongs, and lots of help. Well, enough help. The rest of the guys are taking care of cattle. Day for concrete, so we'll keep cranking it out. Starting to rattle pretty good, getting close to empty. That's all she wrote. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. You have a great day.